Welcome to Graham's Engineering, www.grahamsengineering.com.au. Got a Jones & Shipman cylindrical grinder. It's an internal, external machine that I'm currently doing up. And today decided to pull the hydraulic power pack out. I've had a cloth in the corner there for the last few months trying to wick out the oil, but it just seems to be forever filling up again. So I presume that the tank's got a hole in the bottom of it. I was going to pull it all out anyway because the chain needs to be replaced. Need to put some new flexible hoses on, and I'm also redoing the wiring on it completely. New contactors, complete new control cabinet for it. So that includes all new cabling. This runs through the back of the machine. Can't see it. There's a gland nut through the back there for the cable to run. So tomorrow finish stripping this down, find where the pinhole is in that tank, because the tank just sits in the bottom there, so to speak. The machine's, well, as you can see on the motor, the machine's quite old. The motor's got dated 1958. It's still a very nice machine, it just needs a bit of TLC. Bring it back up to scratch again. As I said, it's internal, external. It came with a tremendous amount of accessories. Big kick of these internal arbors in various lengths. Larger internal spindle. I apologise for being so close at the moment. My poor little workshop is a little bit cramped. It's a 22-inch shaper, string on, made in Hungary, 1967. Churchill surface grinder. Huron milling machine, made in France. That's about 36 years old. Kearns borer, a large lathe, turret mill, a small lathe, eventually I'll be pushing this wall out, and I've got a 9 by 7 metre slab out there that I need to put the structure on, then I'll push a lot of this machinery out, give me some more room. Just pan back a little bit. That is a vertical slotter, 6.5-inch vertical slotter made by Hercus in South Australia. I think back in the 50s. There is very little information on these. Nice little bit of equipment. I repowered that earlier this year. Just got to finish tidying it up and put a coat of paint on it. As you can see, the poor old workshop's a bit pushed for space. I just do general machining, no CNC, just mill work, lathe, surface grinding. It's 350 amp big tick and stick welder under the covers there. Nice machine, old Kempy. So the idea with this is to give it a good clean up. New bearings for all the motors. There's a new control cabinet I'm in the process of putting together. That sits in the back corner here of the machine. The old cabinet was, how you might say, unserviceable, a little bit unsafe. Original oil-filled contactors. So as I said, this came with a tremendous amount of accessories, heap of grinding wheels, spare grinding wheel arbors, the books, etc, etc. It was pretty putrid when I got it. I've already started cleaning up a bit, but it will get a coat of paint as well. Oh, that's about it for the moment. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Cheers.